Welcome back to Edge-U-Cators. Ready for a challenge? I'm going to give you 20 words to spell from easy to hard, and you'll have 10 seconds to either write them down or shout them out. Feel free to pause if you need more time. Alright, let's start. The first word is compass. The hiker used a compass to find the way north. Please spell the word compass. You've got it. It's C-O-M-P-A-S-S. The next word is harvest. The farmers gathered corn during the harvest. Correct. It's H-A-R-V-E-S-T. Next word is pebbles. The pebbles were stacked across the ground. Excellent. It's P-E-B-B-L-E-S. The next word is lantern. The lantern glowed in the dark night. Perfect. It's L-A-N-T-E-R-N. The last easy word is whispered. The girl whispered a secret to her friend. Yes, it's W-H-I-S-P-E-R-E-D. You're doing great. Now, let's step up the challenge. The next word is valuable. The money in the safe was very valuable. Right on. It's V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E. Next up, discovered. The archaeologists discovered a dinosaur fossil. Correct. It's D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-E-D. The next word is customer. The customer paid at the cashier. That's right. It's C-U-S-T-O-M-E-R. Next is adventure. The hikers went on an adventure in the mountains. Right again. It's A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. Next word is excellent. You are doing an excellent job at spelling. Yes, it's E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-T. Halfway done. Let's move on to harder words. Let's go with embarrass. They didn't mean to embarrass the girl in their class. You've got it. It's E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S. Next up, necessary. Wearing a helmet is necessary when riding a bike. Did you get it? It's N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Let's go with independent. The person walked out on his own because he was independent. Correct. It's I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. The next word is curiosity. Curiosity led the person to ask many questions. Nailed it. It's curiosity. Next up is eccentric. The person on the right is eccentric because they are unusual and think in a unique way from the others. Bingo! It's eccentric. Amazing! You've made it this far, now let's see how you do with advanced words. The next word is millennium. People celebrated the start of a new millennium in the year 2000. Did you get it? It's millennium. The next word is simultaneous. The two events happened simultaneous, meaning they occurred at the same time. You've got it. It's simultaneous. Next up is entrepreneur. The entrepreneur started a business to earn money. Yes, it's entrepreneur. Final two. Let's see how you do with these impossible words. The next word is perseverance. He showed perseverance by not giving up on his climb. Did you get it? It's perseverance. Last word. Extraordinary. You did an extraordinary job completing this spelling bee challenge. Yes, it's extraordinary. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new challenge. Got a subject that's giving you trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll make a video to help you out. Thanks for watching.